So let's take a look at what happened here in New Hampshire in the last week of the first quarter of 2023. So in Rockingham County, the average sale price was $562,000. There were 53 closings that happened, and there were 88 that listed. And then in Hillsborough County, the average sale price was $463,000, and there were 73 transactions that closed, and there were 115 that listed. And then in Merrimack County, the average sale price was $384,000. 24 properties closed and 39 listed. Interest rates creeped up just a little bit last week. So conventional average was 6.57, FHA was 6.02. Last week it was just below 6. And VA was at 6.10. So as you can see in all three counties, again, the new listings outpaced what closed. However, we still only have about 900 single family homes for sale in the whole state of New Hampshire. So it is still a really great time to take advantage of this market. Prices don't seem to be going anywhere. And the reason I say that is because we are 20,000 homes short of a balanced market in the state of New Hampshire. So 20,000 homes, and at 115 and 88 and 39 being listed in each county per week, I mean, we're going to need a lot more months of consistently increasing by just a few properties to get to that 20,000 deficit that we're in. So if anybody has any questions on how to take advantage of the market right now, don't hesitate to reach out.